The Oklahoma weather expert, Travis Meyer.
Wow, we have some serious summer weather going on, really kicked in early, and here I was complaining about Maine clouds. That was a mistake on my part. Anyway, tomorrow again, another ozone alert in the Tulsa area, now Oklahoma City, and down to Lawton. That also goes down to Fort Worth, Dallas. Metroplex area, air's just not moving very far, very fast. So that's what we're dealing with right now. And we'll have to deal with it at least another 48 hours. Today's high temperatures, seriously warm to hot, and seriously dry and nasty hot once you get down to the desert southwest areas. These are numbers usually more into the July, August time frame, but I'll tell you what, 105 in Billings. Then it was up to 84 in Fairbanks. The record high was 96. Stacia looked that up for us. And so it wasn't even close. But still, that's awful warm up by Alaska standards. Of course, this time of year, it's daylight almost nonstop. Around here, we have 14 and a half hours, a little over 14 and a half hours of daylight. We're entering into the longest day of the year coming up as we get on into Saturday and Sunday time period. And temperatures today, we're in the low to mid 90s and then 97 in Tulsa. Tomorrow morning, we're back in the upper 60s near 70. Clouds are limited. By late tomorrow afternoon, it could be an isolated shower and thunderstorm across the Ozarks and northwest Arkansas, and then extending down around Fort Smith and along the Oklahoma border area. So there is a slight chance, 5% coverage probably. The rest of us are in the 90s, 100 or higher out west. But of course, as I mentioned before, wheat harvest is going on and is spreading rapidly to the north. And sometimes things will slow it down. Right now, it is all the way into the Kansas border areas now in southern Kansas. We're in the low 70s for early Thursday morning, just a little bit warmer in the morning. The afternoon, again, really hot. I wouldn't be surprised. Few temperatures could be reaching near 100 west of Tulsa, like as close as Stillwater, man, maybe into Northern Creek County. It's going to be a really nasty hot day. Friday, still in the upper 90s. Humidity levels are pretty high through this coming days, so we'll have to watch out. All of western Oklahoma pretty much stays in the century mark and then drops off a little bit on Sunday. But you get the general idea. Yeah. It's just still hot from Saturday to Sunday for the whole weekend.
Hot.
So don't expect too much in the way of any rain. The heat index values will be at or above 100 for us, though, because the humidity levels are increasing. And then air's a little bit drier as we go on into the weekend. Tropical disturbance is going to be down around Houston, southwest Louisiana on Saturday morning. It'll kind of give us more of an easterly, drier wind flow. And so we don't really pick up anything until we get a cool front coming in here on Monday afternoon. And so if it slows down, we have a better chance of rain. If it speeds up, only you guys in southeast Oklahoma have that chance. After that, just a slight chance of a few thunderstorms at 10%. Temperatures remain above normal until that front comes through, and then goes back up, and then goes back down a little bit. But overall, it is a hot forecast for this early in the season. And even Father's Day, normally it should be about 90. It's going to be 93. And the only good news is the winds will be out of the south, 15 to 22 miles per hour. Nobody will be really complaining with a breeze blowing through. Grass, mold sport, continue to be moderate, so that's still a big deal. Just want to point out this picture Gary Crow sent to us, Twin Bridges State Park. There's going to be a church built here in the next couple of years. It was just a beautiful sunset last night up in the northeast corner of the state around Miami. All right, forecast, 72 degrees.